Hello viewers, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today's topic is how to find the square root by fast track method. This concept is very useful for all competitive exams. So let us start our topic. As we know, up to 100 square values. So 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal 9, 4 square equal 16, 5 square equal 25, and 6 square equal 36, 7 square equal 49, 8 square equal 64, 9 square equal to 81, 10 square equal 100. Once you have to observe here, in square numbers, 1, the unit digit is 1 and 1. 1 when we are getting in 1 and 9. Next, 4. 4 when we will get 2 table we are getting and 8 table. Next 6. So 6 is 4 table and 6 table. Next 5. Next 9. 9 is 3 table and 7 table. Next here remaining one is 5 we can get with 5 only, and 0 we can get 0 only. Now we can find the square root of 3 digits one. So 3 digits one first we have to discuss. So first number is 729. Under root 729. We need to find the root value of 729. So here you can divide two digits from right side to last 2 we have to divide. So here 2 digits and 7, 1 only left, let it be. So what is the unit digit here? 9. So 9 means in square numbers where we are getting 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. So the possible value of the square root value is 3 or 7. In units place we are getting. Next here, left remaining number 7. 7, which square numbers between lies? So 2 square means 4 less than this number 7 less than 3 square means 2 square and 3 square between only 7. So 2 square and 3 square between only 7. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. 9 means it is exceeds. So smallest value you have to find here. Now here we got it 27 and 23. So in these two numbers only this square root value. So how we have to take that, which one is it is suitable? Now we have to find 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. This 7 you have to write it middle. Now this 7 is nearer to, very closer to 4 or 9. It is very closer to 9 means so greater number is the square root of given number, means 729 root value under root 729 value is 27. Next one more example under root 324. So you can divide 2 digits, I divided and 1 left. So 4, the unit place is 4. 4 when we are getting, so 4 we have to get 2 table and 8 table, 2 square and 8 square. So the possible values of unit digit square root value only. So 8, 2 and 8. Now here you can take 3. So 3 nearer perfect square value. So 1 square and 2 square. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4. So here smallest number only 4 means it is exceeding, means it is exceeds 3. So we can take the smallest value, that is 1 and 1. Now we got it here, two possibilities we got it. Under root 324, possibilities are 12 and 18. Now in this, which one is suitable? Once you have to check it. 1 square and this is 2 square. The number is 3. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4. This 3 is very nearer to 4 or very nearer to 1. It is nearer to 4 only. So 3 afterwards we are getting 4 only now. So 4 means it is 4 is greater number. Means here we need to choose greater number is the square root of 324. So 324 root value is 18. Now one more example, that is 529 under root. You can divide two digits. So first 2 digits only, 5 is single one. So here 9. 9 means which table, which square numbers we are getting? That is 3 and 7. The possible value of square root in 3 or 7 we are getting. Okay, let it be. Now you can take 5. 5. Which number lies between? That is square numbers only we need to take. So 2 square and 3 square. 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. So 4 and 9 between only 5 will be. Now the smallest number only we need to take here, that is 23 and 27. In this 23 and 27 only, in this any one only given number square root value. So here now we can take 2 square and 3 square. This number as usual we are taking 5. So 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. So 5 is nearer to 4 or very nearer to 4 or very nearer to 9. It is very nearer to 4 only. So very nearer to 4 means the smallest digit is the given number square root value. Means root 529 equal 23. Now we will discuss 4-digit number square root value. So 4 digits one we are taking. So first number is 1156. Find the square root of 1156. You can divide two digits and 2 digits. So here unit digit is 6. So in square numbers, where we are getting 4 and 6 only we are getting, means 4 or 6. So the possible value of units digit is square root in 4 or 6. Now 11 you have to take. So 11, which square numbers lies between? That is 3 square and 4 square. 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16. 9 and 16 between only 11. So in this small number you have to take 34 or 36. This small number we need to write here. Now here two possibilities we got it here. One is 34, another one is 36. So this root value either 34 or 36. Now which one is correct? Now we have to take these square numbers we took now. That square numbers you have to take 3 square and 4 square. So 3 square, that middle number as usual we can write here 11. So 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. So this 11 is nearer to 9 or nearer to 16. It is very closer to 9 only. 9 means this is the smaller number. So smaller number is the given root value. Means under root 1156 equal 34. Next, one more example. 2401. Find the square root of 2401. Now you can divide here 2 digits and 2 digits. 1, unit digit is 1. 1 in square numbers when we are getting 1 table and 9 table. 1 and 9. So in square root value, unit digit is 1 or 9. Now here you can take that number is 24. 24, which square numbers lies between? That is 4 square and 5 square. 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25. 4, 16 and 25 between only the 24 will be. Means in the smallest number is 4, that 4 you have to write it here. So here two possibilities we got it here. One is 41 and 49. The square root value of 2401 is either 41 or 49. Now we have to take which one is correct. We have to take. Here we got it here 4 square and 24 as usual we can take, and 5 square. 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. Now we have to choose 24 is nearer to 16 or 24 is nearer to 25. So 24 is very closer to 25. 25 means in this 4 and 5 numbers, this is the 5 is the greater number. So here we need to choose greater number. Means the root value of square root value of 2401 equal 49. One more example for 4 digits only. 4489. Square root of 4489. You can divide 2 digits, 2 digits. Now unit place is 9. 9, which square numbers we are getting? 3 square and 7 square, means 3 and 7. In square root value, unit digit is 3 or 7. Now here remaining two numbers are 44. So this 44, which square number lies between? That is 6 square and 7 square. 6 square means that is 36, 7 square means 49. So 36, 49 between only 44. So in the smallest number we need to take, that is 6. So here we can write 6. So here we got the two possibilities, that is 63, another one is 69. In this 63 or 69 only we are getting the root value. Now you have to take this one 6 square and 7 square. The middle number is 44 as it is. 6 square means 36. 7 square means 49. So 44 is nearer to 36 or 44 is nearer to 49. So this 44 is very closer to 49. 49 means this is the greater number. So in this greater number is the given numbers one square root value, means 4484 and the root value of 4484 is 67. One more example, that is 9604. Find the square root of 9604. Now we can divide 2 digits, 2 digits. So here 4, unit digit is 4. Means 4 means when we are getting square numbers in 2 and 8. 2 square means 4, 8 square means 64. 64 means 4 is the unit digit. Now we have to take the possible square root unit digits are 2 or 8. Now 96 you have to take 96. Which square numbers lies between? So that is 9 square or 10 square. 9 square means that is 81. 10 square means 100. 81 and 100 between only 96. So in this small number is 9. So you can choose 9 and 9. Now we got it two options here. One is 92 and another one is 98. So in these two numbers only, in these two values only, this given numbers one square root value. Now we have to take 9 square and 10 square. So middle number as usual 96 as it is. So 9 square, what is the value of 9 square? That is 81. 10 square means 100. Now we can choose 96 is nearer to 81 or 96 is nearer to 100. 96 is very closer to 100. Very closer to 100 means it is the greater number. So here greater number is the given numbers one square root value. So square root of 9604 equal 98. If you have any clarification on this topic, do the comment. Please support me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.